Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Check settings general about to know model and iOS version. Once done, disconnect any Bluetooth headsets because they hijack audio input. Then open voice memos and record a 3-5 second clip to test the internal mic. If you hear nothing, force restart the iPad by holding the top and a volume button until the power slider appears, then power off and back on. This rules out temporary software conflicts before deeper steps. Next, you focus on permissions and resets. Open Settings Privacy Microphone and make sure the app you're using has access. Toggle it off and on to refresh. Once done, reset network settings to clear audio routing glitches via Settings General Transfer or Reset Network Settings. This won't erase media, but will drop saved Wi-Fi networks. Then update iOS or reinstall the problematic app, because outdated software often breaks mic. Now you verify hardware. Inspect all microphone openings and the Lightning/USB-C port for lint or debris. Use a soft brush or short bursts of compressed air to clear blockages. Once done, test using wired headphones with an inline mic to isolate whether the internal mic is faulty. If problems persist, back up and perform a full restore via Finder or iTunes to rule out deep software corruption. If the mic still fails, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. One key tip: always test before any repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.